everyone, my name is Jyoti. Today I am going to start a new WordPress tutorial series because WordPress is basically based upon the PHP language, and to run the PHP script you need a server. For server you can download either XAMPP or WAMP. I will show you installation with XAMPP. So let's start a video. I'm going to download the WordPress. You can just type WordPress download and you will see the link download. You can download it from wordpress.org. So from this link you can download the latest version of the WordPress. I already have downloaded it, so I will not download. You can download it. For now I am assuming that you are a beginner, and so for learning purpose you can use a local host, local server. So we will set up local server in your system. Download XAMPP. You can simply write download XAMPP and from the first link you can download. For Windows you can see there are download links. Here are for Linux. I downloaded this first one. You can also download this one. So I already have WordPress and XAMPP both downloaded in my laptop. Okay, so I am going to install this XAMPP. WordPress is basically based upon the PHP. To run that PHP script and for the database we need this server XAMPP. Okay, now let's install. Okay, next here you can install it either in your C drive or in your D drive. I am going to work in my D drive. So in my D drive I am going to create a new folder with the name XAMPP. You can give any name to your folder. So I am using this folder for setup. Next, you can close this window. Again, next. Our installation is finished. You can click on finish button. Then you can see this is a control panel of the XAMPP, and here we need to start this Apache and MySQL. Okay, you need to start Apache and MySQL to use the WordPress in your system. Okay, now our local server setup is ready. Now I am going to configure my WordPress. So I already have downloaded this. This is in a zip folder. So you can copy this and you can paste it in the folder. First of all, go to your XAMPP folder where you have installed your XAMPP. Then go to the htdocs folder. In the XAMPP, go to the htdocs folder. Just paste it over here. So here is my WordPress. So I am going to extract this. Now I have extracted all the files in this folder, so you can rename this particular folder with the name of your project. You can give any name to your project. For now I am using the name Boffin Coders for my project. You can give any name to your project. You can extract all the files of the WordPress in a folder, then you can rename it to the name of your project. Then this will be the name of your project. For the local host, this will be the name for your website, which I will use in the URL. For the live site, where you can use the name for your domain. Okay, for now I will use this name Boffin Coders after the localhost in URL. Okay, and now make sure your Apache and MySQL are start. You need to start this. Then your name of the project. After then we will configure this WordPress. We will install, complete this installation process. Okay, so let's start that process. Just type localhost here, then php myadmin. Okay, so here you need to create a database. For now I am giving the name of the database Boffin Coders. You can give any name to your database. Okay, after creation of the database we just need to configure our WordPress. Okay, So let me again write the URL localhost. Then you need to give the name of your folder, that is Boffin Coders, the name of your project which you have created here in H2 docs. I just have given the name Boffin Coders, so I will write the name of this particular folder, then enter. Then you will see your directory, your folder WordPress here. Then I'm going to install this. Continue. Let's go. Then I will explain about these particular fields. First of all, WordPress require a database name. Okay, so the database which we have created here, we just have created a database with the name Boffin Coders. So I will write the name Boffin Coders here. Okay, next, the username for the local host is always root and password is always blank. Okay, always the username is root for the local host and the password is always blank. And the host is basically a server. So for now I'm using the local host as a server, so we will write local host here. Then after the connectivity of database, there will be the formation of the 12 table in our database. We will use the prefix for the tables WP underscore. Okay, database. Okay, so then we will submit this one. I run the installation. Then you need to fill this information, the site title. You can give any name to your site title. For now I am using Boffin Coders. Username, for now you can give it admin, and password. For the live site you must recommended that you need to use a strong password, but I am assuming that you are a beginner and this is a practice project, and for that I am using a weak password admin. Just easy to remember, username admin and password I am using admin for our local site. Confirm use of weak password. And for your email, for the live site you need to give your original email. For now you can give any dummy email, like I am using abc@gmail.com. Okay, then we will not select this particular option, because if we select it, Google will not consider it for the crawling purpose. So then install WordPress. Then you need to log in. After the installation, WordPress divided into the two parts. One is a website and second one is a admin. Website is which you will see on the front end, and the dashboard is from where we will handle our website. We will manage our website. So I am going to log in into our dashboard, admin, the username and password which we already have set during the installation. Then I am going to log in. Then you can see this is a dashboard of the WordPress, and for the website you can visit here, visit website. You can check, this is the same name, localhost, then your project name. In the project, under the project name there is a folder WordPress website. Okay, so you can use any theme, any modifications here from this dashboard. I will explain this in my next videos. I will give you the detailed description for the every module in the dashboard which we will use to create a beautiful website. So bye bye for now. If you have any doubt in installation or any query, you can ask me in comments. Thanks. Bye bye.